mixing bowl, add 180 grams of buttermilk, or milk if you don't have buttermilk, 115 grams of active starter, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of butter, melted and cooled. Whisk to combine. Next, add 280 grams of cornmeal and 10 grams of salt. Mix everything well. Last, stir in about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mine is freshly shredded. And half of a small onion, chopped. Divide the batter evenly into a greased 12-cup muffin pan. Since mine is silicone, I actually didn't have to add grease at all. Smooth out the tops. The batter should fill the cups most of the way full. Cover the muffins and begin fermentation. This is the hardest part because cornmeal will not rise much at all since it is gluten-free. Ferment for 3 to 8 hours depending on the temperature of your home. Fermentation takes about 6 hours in my 70° Fahrenheit home. The timing for this recipe is the exact same as the timing for my batter bread recipe. The dough will not appear to change much, but may rise a little and form a dome on top. If this happens, your dough is definitely ready and it is time to bake right away. These are my muffins after 6 hours of resting. They don't look much different, but they are a little puffier, though they didn't quite get to the point where they formed a dome on top. Bake the muffins at 425° Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And that's it, Southern-style sourdough corn muffins. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.